Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn this sea turtle painting with a little bit of paper magic into a quilling paper artwork. You need 300 GSM paper for the background. Now let's start with the outline quilling. I used 10 mm 300 GSM paper strips. Remove the excess glue on the background paper with a quilling needle. You have to do this every time after you glue the paper strip on the background. Now it's time to clean the edges with a cutting knife. Just cut away the excess paper. Can you see the gaps between the paper strips? We have to fix them. I used a small piece of quilling paper strip for this and glue it at the inside of the quilling paper artwork. It's important to glue it at the inside of the quilling paper artwork, so we can cover it with quilling elements later. Now the whole construction is stronger. Let's go on with the turtle shell. For the outline, I used 300 GSM paper strips. Folded and glued together. And filled it with different colors of 130 GSM paper strips. I made a teardrop quilling shape for the eye with 6 mm strips and glued a little piece of white paper on the top. The tight quilling coils that I used before have no hole in the center, and this is how I made them. You have to put the beginning of the strip into the water, wipe away the excess water, and start to roll with a slotted quilling tool. And then you have to use your fingertips. Just roll it forward and backward until it's easy to roll. If you glue the end of the paper strip, you will get a tight coil without a center hole. But if you don't glue it and loose it up, you will get a perfect swirl. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to give it a like. If you want to know which paper or quilling tools I use, you can check the video description. You can also download the free pattern of this sea turtle. For this part I used 220 GSM paper strips. Thank you for watching, guys, and if you want to see more quilling water magic, just check this next video here.